In the universe, there is nothing that is as fascinating, as exotic, as mysterious, or as awe-inspiring as the black hole. What is a black hole? NASA describes the black hole as a region of space where gravity is so strong that light is not able to escape it. Black holes were first theorized by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity in 1916. To this day, black holes are very mysterious, and there are many common misconceptions among the general population. I'd like to explain what black holes really are, how they're formed, and what they really do. A black hole, like before stated, is a field of gravity that is so strong, no matter, even light is able to escape it. A black hole is actually not a hole, which is the first common misconception. A black hole is actually a field of gravity that surrounds an infinitely small but infinitely dense area, and the black hole appearance comes from the gravity inside a certain area where gravity is faster than the speed of light, therefore no gravity can escape it, so it appears black. And there is an area around the black hole that surrounds the black hole called the event horizon. That is the area where the gravity equals the speed of light. And so, how is a black hole formed? It depends on which type of black hole it is. There are stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. A stellar black hole is formed when a star becomes so hot that the hydrogen and helium that usually are fusing in the middle of a star form more heavy elements such as iron, and therefore the star quits emitting radiation, and because there is no energy being emitted, all of the energy in the star collapsed into a small pinpoint area where all of the mass of the star goes. And the supermassive black holes, however, their origins are ultimately unknown. Some theories say that supermassive black holes form when two stellar black holes collide, and some theorize that supermassive black holes are formed when stellar clusters and gas collapse on each other, or some even say that they were formed in the Big Bang and have just always been. What does a black hole really do? What happens to what a black hole pulls in? Well, many wonder what would happen if a human were to enter a black hole. First, you would die. This is a process that scientists simply call spaghettification, because the difference in gravity between your feet and your head when entering a black hole are so different that your feet would start to be pulled and stretched while your head remained intact, and ultimately you would just be funneled into the black hole as a stream of atoms. And then some theorize that your mass would just be added to the singularity in the middle of the black hole and just be compacted into it. But some theorize that the singularity dumps into a wormhole that falls into another place in space-time, and some theorize that the singularity in itself is another universe with laws of physics of its own because of the immense gravity. But ultimately, there is no way of finding out. Over the last 100 years, we have learned so much about black holes, but so much remains unknown and uncertain. While we continue to study and learn about the wonders of the universe, there will be right theories and there will be wrong theories. But maybe it's the not knowing that makes black holes so amazing.